today I would be speaking I would try to speak my mind. Well, it was Friday, last Friday, 5 in the evening. I was on my desk and I had my evening pre-planned and my work wrapped up. Just about when I was about to leave my desk or about to leave, my manager suddenly appears at my back and says, Ravi, can you please do this extra and this, that. Literally, I couldn't understand, couldn't concentrate on anything he said to me at that time. The only thing I wanted to say him at that time was a no. And I was going to say him no. But you know what happened? While I was trying hard to say that no, the word came out of my mouth was yes. Yes, it happened. And the rest was history. And the history wasn't fun. It was full of agony, anxiety, and anger. Well, it happens to all of us, yeah. Many times we can't speak our mind, but and we do it often. So let's see why we do it at the first place. So there are 3 reasons. We don't want to look bad in others' eyes. We want to look good. So that's why we say yes. The second, we ourselves don't like to be at the receiving end of a no. So in that way we don't say no to others. And the third is, everybody wants to be yes man. Nobody wants to be a no man. You all must be remembering the one movie, Yes Man, where he says yes to everybody, and so many good things happens to him. So we think, okay, this might come back to us. Well, but let me tell you, the thing is, the saying yes can be harmful. So, just for example, if you don't say that no, but say that yes, grammatically you would end up saying not just one word but many more. Like yes, definitely I would do that. What do you want me to do? Instead of that one no, or yes, what do you want me to do? Something like that. So that's one thing. And secondly, emotionally you would be left resentful, helplessness, or traumatic sometimes. That depends upon the intensity of yes you have said earlier. So that's one thing. The next thing is, through these examples we can say that saying that no is not that bad decision or a bad choice at all. Because saying no to an important thing at the right moment helps us arranging our times in a better way, doing a better time management, and that's way a relaxed life. So that's first thing. The second thing, I would give an example again from a movie. So you all must have seen this movie Planet of the Apes, or The Return of Planet of the Apes. So do you remember that gorilla?
Yes.
Yeah. The first word he says was a
no.
Yeah. So at that time that no represents intelligence, self-respect, leadership. So we can understand that no isn't a bad word at all. So going forward, so through all this we can say that using no is not a bad choice, and that affirms that the hypothesis we are putting in. So now the biggest question comes, how to say that no. It's easy to define that, okay, you say no and you go happy, but how to say that no? So 3 ways to do it. First, this no is not in our practice. No, so you have to get into the practice of saying no. So whenever in the morning you wake up, say no. Just like we do that old thing or all other things, just say no. So once it comes into your practice, you have to do. The other way is, when you say no, just give a little reason also, just like no because I have some other plan for me, or no because the reason. So you have to give a reason also with the no. And the third way to say, don't say anything. Just nod your head and give a smile. Okay. So you will understand, whoever is asking something from you, just nod your head in a negative and with a smile. But don't be sarcastic at that time. Don't be sarcastic smile. So now we have gone through this these two words, yes and no, and now we understood that using no is not a bad choice. It basically depends upon the situation you are in at that time. To conclude this whole thing, I would like to say that these two words, yes and no, they are two very powerful words. They can make or break things. So you have to use them very judiciously, and just to and you need to think, when you are saying yes to others, you are not saying no to yourself. Over to you.